Good morning, welcome back. Currently it is Friday the 27th, I think, and I'm still in New York alone, but I'm gonna vlog for y'all. My room is actually in a mess right now, so I need to clean that. Oh my god, I was trying to find water yesterday and I opened a wine bottle, sipped it, and I was like, ooh, and like almost puked, so I dropped it. I need to get ready. I didn't realize how late I woke up. I was like, oh, I don't need an alarm. I'm gonna wake up just fine. Anyways, so I have to get lunch with a friend, but you guys will see who. I swear a lot of you guys will know who I'm going to brunch with, like a lot of you. I don't like be like meeting up with influencers and shit because I don't have anxiety. I'm not gonna self-diagnose myself with anxiety, but like I will get anxious if I f***ing meet. If it's like one-on-one, it's a lot easier because I don't know. I'd rather do things one-on-one than in group situations because I notice whenever I'm in a group situation, I just mute myself and don't talk, and I don't know how to jump into conversations. So it's just I come off as very rude and like I don't give a about what other people have to say whenever I'm in a group situation because I'm so bad at including myself, so I just kind of don't respond. But we're doing a one-on-one brunch, so it should be a little bit better. But before I do that, I have to film 2 brand deals, so we're busy. Ugh, I didn't remove my makeup last night because I was dead.
You know what's so crazy? I know that you're probably not subscribed right now. Go check. Are you subscribed? No, because I know that 40% of you that watch my videos don't even subscribe. What are you doing? Subscribing is free. And if you subscribe from this video and comment down below, I will like your comment. Oh, you don't believe me? You think I'm lying? Go check the comments. Are all the comments liked? Yes, because I love my subscribers. So go subscribe if you want to. I'm not like trying to force you or anything, but like basically I'd appreciate it. Okay, bye.
Allergy. I need to order coffee. I need to order a bunch of fucking water because there's no cases of water here and I'm actually dehydrated. I'm like, I don't know if you can drink the tap water here, but I don't even have a fucking water bottle anyways to fill it up with. My lips are dry. I can feel how dehydrated I am. Alright, full makeup routine is on my TikTok if you guys want to see the short version. And I also have it in this video right here. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll link it down in the description. But I'm going to quickly do my makeup. Boom! Okay, I just got ready. This is the look. My hair is kind of greasy, but whatever. I still need to fucking film 2 brand deals. I just uploaded a video though. I've just been sitting here and eating kaba. I've never tried it before, but everyone said it was really good and I love it. It tastes really good. I think I got like the chicken and white rice bowl. I don't know. And then I also ordered Sterling some food and oh my god, he ate it. Just been sitting here uploading a video. I need to film brand deal now though. So I gotta do some like screen recording shit for this brand deal. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Tell me why I'm actually like dripping sweat from my eyelids down to my face. It's not cute. Anyways, I'm currently walking to go meet up with Hailey Sani. If you guys don't know her, she's like an OG YouTuber. She's been in this space for a minute now, but I'm gonna go meet her. I'm trying to figure out how to navigate this stuff. Alright, right now I'm at Ruby's in New York. I don't know, is this place that Lauren Wolf recommended me when I DM'd her? She recommended me a bunch of places. I'll link them all down in the description box below. I'm here having lunch. Guys, I'm like not as like awkward as I thought it'd be. Like I know I told you that I was gonna be like really awkward because I don't meet up with people, but like we were actually you thought you were gonna meet up. Yes, I was saying you are like most like chill, like authentic person I've met up with. I feel like I've known, well, technically I have because I like watch your videos. I was telling them, I was like, oh my god, because I don't meet up with people, and if I do, it has to be one-on-one or else I don't talk. Like I get so awkward and like weird. I would never know. I think the last like YouTuber that like I met up with one-on-one was Daniela, but that was like 2 years ago. But I know you've hung out with Daniela, right? Daniela Bergen? Yeah. Oh my god. It was good though. This is Hailey. Say hi. Hi. It was not awkward. We just had lunch. We sat here for like 2 hours. But now I gotta hit the gym.
You're so fluffy.
I forgot to show y'all my fit, but this is what it looks like. The skirt is from Urban. These leg warmers are from Amazon. The shoes are Mason Margiela. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I think I love them. They're like tabby shoes. This is from Nostalgic Threads on Depop. These are the little details. We got the new Vivian necklace. I don't know, I think it's cute. Okay, I have to take all this jewelry off, change, and hit the gym because I'm meeting somebody at the gym. I'm just meeting everyone today. All right, let me change.
if you don't know who this is, I watch her on YouTube and I was like, oh my god, I'm in New York. I want to work out with this girl because I watch this girl every time her name is Lena, and I watch her every time I do my 12-3-30 on the treadmill. So I was like, we gotta fucking meet up.
No, you guys don't even know. I know this girl, like
No,
personally.
I know this
her
girl personally. I was
her
literally
videos.
watching your vlog this
That's
morning,
so crazy.
and you were like, oh, I'm like gonna start cooking, like I'm in New Jersey, guys.
Oh, I cannot
I
cook,
was
by the way.
watching. All right, we're gonna hit the gym.
Yes.
Shut the f up. What is this? No way. This is crazy. Oh my god, fuck Equinox. What?
No, this makes Equinox
Look like shit.
We're getting a little MTV Cribs tour here right now, hosted by Lena.
Wow, this is crazy.
We are here being fitness influencers or whatever, like, I feel like a fitness ass bitch right now, you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
hey guys, welcome, like this video is sponsored by Gymshark, you know?
Dude, that looks so good.
It's like this gym, it has sex lights on 24/7 is how I could describe it.
Makes you
It's
look
like,
shredded.
really? Oh my god, wait, look at this lighting. Ooh, look at,
I haven't hit upper body in like 3 weeks.
oh, I haven't hit upper body in like fucking 3 weeks. She's my trainer today. Alright guys, welcome back. So right now, she taught me how to do these things. And like usually I do the regular schmegular degular hip thrust, but today she showed me how to do these like one form, then like one full one. So we're gonna try that today.
We're trying to kill my glutes.
Yeah, I like haven't done a workout in like 4 days, so I'm gonna f***ing die and I know it.
You got it. Let's go, let's go. One full one.
Okay, one full one like this.
Uh-huh. There you go. 1/4. There you go. Yep. 3. Good. There you go. You got it. You got it. Yo, she's killing it. You got it. You got it. Come on. 3 left. Let's go. Woo! I know it's burning right now. Come on. You got it. You got it. Finish strong.
How
Let's
many
go.
more?
There you go.
I think this is
One more. Come on. Push through. Push through.
dead, bro.
She killed it. She killed it.
All right, that was hard, not gonna lie. Right, we're stopping not even mid-workout. Like we literally did one fucking set and we're literally leaving to go to CVS to go get Rice Krispies because there's this one TikTok where this guy's like, you gotta try Rice Krispies before you work out and you get the best pump ever, and it has to do something with like glucose and sugar and shit. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna walk to CVS and get some right now. Else do we have better to do? Nothing. Let's go get some fucking Rice Krispies. We're currently walking. It's like fucking wet out though. Like it's like raining and drizzling, but the weather is like hot.
It's so ass.
I don't know how to explain it. It's like I'm breathing in somebody's sweat, if I could explain
And
it.
the pollution of New York.
Right? Kind of a vibe though, but it's like weird. Yo, I'm actually so excited to eat Rice Krispies. I used to eat one like every day at school. I haven't had one in so long. In New York, concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's not, yes.
Yo, petition for Mai to move to New York ASAP.
Right? Comment down below if you think I should move to New York. I'm kidding.
Here, I need a workout buddy, so
Period.
I already know where.
Oh, they don't have my favorite. Are you fucked? The peach mango one. Wait, but there's peach vibe.
Hey guys, welcome back to this little mukbang. Today we're trying Rice Krispies. Let's do a little ASMR segment. Wow, all right.
We literally stopped our workout for this, so.
Cheers. It's giving very much good. It's really small. I thought Rice Krispies were bigger.
It looks smaller. They definitely
like-
made it smaller.
I'm like, is this the American version? ASMR. Period.
Good shit. She's killing it. If your face doesn't look constipated when you're working out, you're not doing it right. Yo, she slaps her face so hard.
We've literally just been talking about boys this whole fucking time. Like this whole time. Like we've been in this gym for like an hour now. And we've only got through one workout. All right, time to do RDLs. My ass literally, if there could be a sound effect for this, my ass is going the whole time. It's literally shaking this whole time.
It. It's literally
No, I'm not lying when I say my ass does not jiggle. It's all muscle.
Her ass is shaking, her ass is twerking. It's literally twerking.
I can literally
You got it. If your face is not constipated, you're not doing it right. There you go. Finish strong, you got it.
Woo! I can feel the pump. Do you guys see it? Do you guys see it?
You know your booty's fat when it looks fat even in black leggings. That's all I gotta say.
pump.
You feel it?
I feel the pump right now. Holy shit. Workout done. Woo! Oh my god, bro, my fucking abs look like killer.
Her pump is insane.
Okay, so now we're gonna do this massage thing we just finished. How do I do this? Hydra Massage.
Alright, so we're press start.
Okay, whoa, what?
High tech shit.
Wow! It's like, what the fuck is this? I ain't never had this before. This is something special. She's treating me real good. Oh my goodness. I'm literally clenching my asshole right now. Oh my fucking god. It's tickling. This feels so weird, y'all. I literally could piss right now. It's like warm water, but it's like not actually hitting, like the water's not hitting me, but like I can feel the water like through the fucking screen. This is the vibe. Why do I always have to pee after the gym? No, like why is it literally right after the gym? I always fucking have to pee so bad. Like this thing, ready? Listen. Explosion. No, that like massage literally made me have to like pee. Like the warm water literally made me have to pee. Fit. Jaded London. I don't know where I'll insert it on screen. Mason Margiello. I don't even know. And yeah, where's your fit
my
pump,
gym
bitch?
clothes.
All right, let's head out.
Ooh, getting swole. Hi.
Yo, look at this.
Delicioso.
I'm gonna break that egg yolk.
Yo, we're currently. What is this place called?
Olio and pew.
What? What is it called?
Olio and pew.
Olio a pew. We're just eating right now. Ooh, we got the pasta.
We're eating up all the calories we burned.
Dead ass. We did get a pay. I'm not giving you food, motherfucker.
Why you bullying me?
All right, let me do a first impression.
How is it?
The texture is so fucking good. This place is good, guys. Anyways, I ordered a Shirley Temple, but I don't know where that bitch is at. I'm vlogging on my phone because my SD card is transferring footage right now, but I'm currently filming a brand deal, so I got my little selfie stick and we're gonna head outside. Bitch, look at all this fucking construction right now. I gotta take an Instagram picture. We out here vlogging. I'm literally in like an all-out outfit. So many people walking around, but do I give a f? No, not really, because why would I? I literally walked out here vlogging in all the construction workers. We're just looking, like, what are you looking at? We gotta find a Fire Fresh Fit location. I think if I just like walk up the street more, it'll be cute. Right now, I'm giving I don't care vibes. I'm literally walking around with a huge ass tripod. I want a whole nother level of I don't give a fuck. I feel like usually it's like whatever, like I'll vlog in public, but like now I'm just carrying around this stick vest from head to toe and just talking. Gotta get that bread though, so like why would I care? We're gonna walk to this intersection because it's a little more busy, a little more fun, a lot more people though, but I mean that's what makes it fun, right? Hi, okay, I just want to come in here and say that I'm giving away free makeup every single day on my Instagram story for the whole month of September because I had so much that I thought I might as well give back to you guys, and it's like high-end makeup, like good stuff, and I'll just be posting whatever I'm giving away every single day on my Instagram story. I literally have Ziploc bags full of makeup to ship out to you guys every day, so all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel that you're watching right now and then follow my Instagram at maiphammy. The way I'll be picking the giveaway winners, I'm going to be going through my Instagram story repost, so all you have to do is repost my recent Instagram picture on your story, and obviously make sure you like the picture and comment, be active, you know what I mean? I'm just going to be randomly picking. I'm doing that every single day. So yeah, go follow my Instagram and subscribe to the YouTube channel and go check out what I'm giving away today on my Instagram story. I just finished up shooting. I think I had about 3 people stop me, and then one of the guys was like, stop hating, because I didn't want to take a picture of him because I told him I was in a rush because I am in a rush, but that was a lot easier than I thought it would be. I literally set up that tripod, like this tripod, like in every location and just started walking back and forth and take pictures with so many people walking by. I think that's like a new level of I don't go fuck to me because like I don't give a fuck, but like I've never done that. I've never done it where it's like super busy and had a tripod. Like usually I set mine up in like a really discreet location or on like a plant or something, but that was dead ass just like in the middle of an intersection that I just set it up in and just started taking pictures. So we're leveling up, bitches. We're leveling up. Is this embarrassing? No, because it's not embarrassing. Embarrassing, I like to say embarrassing. It's not embarrassing if you aren't embarrassed. Only embarrassing if you're embarrassed. That's what I learned. I ain't embarrassed. I don't go fuck. I'm getting my bag. Everyone else can suck my dick.